the current I drawn from the 5 volt source will be equal to. If I redraw this diagram, let me name this point as A, this point as B, this point as C, and this point as D. Okay. So if I redraw the diagram in some different arrangement, this is A over here, and this is B, this point is B, this point is C, and let this point be equal to D. Okay. So first of all, between A and B we have a 5 ohm resistance. Okay, we have a 5 ohm resistance. Between A and C we have a 10 ohm resistance. We have a 10 ohm resistance over here. Between B and C, we have a 10 ohm resistance. Between C and D we have a 20 ohm resistance, and between B and D we have a 10 ohm resistance, and the rest of the circuit looks somewhat like this. Okay, and this is the rest of the circuit with 5 volt. There is no internal resistance given over here. I can clearly say that if I arrange this, this looks like a Wheatstone. So R1 by R2, that is equal to 5 by 10, which is equal to 1 by 2. R3 by R4, which is equal to 10 by 20, which is again equal to 1 by 2. So R1 by R2 is equal to R3 by R4. Okay, over here R1 by R2 will be equal to R3 by R4. Okay, so now I can say that the bridge is clearly balanced. If the bridge is clearly balanced, I will eliminate the central resistance. Okay, I will eliminate the central resistance. So when I eliminate the central resistance, the total resistance on the top becomes 5 and 10 ohms in series, which is equal to 15, and at the bottom it is equal to 10 and 20 ohms in series, which is equal to 30. Now 15 and 30 are in parallel. So 1 by 15 plus 1 by 30 will be equal to 1 by 15 plus 1 by 30. It will be equal to 3 by 30, which is equal to, this is the equivalent resistance. So the equivalent resistance over here will be equal to 30 divided by 3, which is equal to 10 ohms. Okay, we have to find out the total current drawn by the 5 volt battery. So the total current will be equal to total voltage divided by total resistance. Total voltage is 5 volt and the total resistance is 10. So 5 by 10 will be equal to 0.5 ampere, which is equal to option number D.